Alright, what else we got? Two more baggies. Round. Oh, another knucklehead part? Might be. Ah, man. Dumb. What is this? I opened it. Oh, we got noise. We know the air compressor's on. Ah. Dude. Ah, finally. That is not a knucklehead part. That is called an intake manifold. That would be a really small hole there. Look at the size of that sucker. I like this side a lot better. Damn, that would choke it down. That's a restrictor plate for a race car, race bike there. That's what that is. Damn, that would pop it down real slow. Okay, so this appears to be a brand new intake manifold, or it's a used one. It's freshly cad plated. It looks really nice. The gasket, that's the right one, and you got this insulator gasket, which is not the right one. I'm guessing this is probably for a trike, because they have a real small Tillotson on their bikes. That's probably what that is. Damn it, that hurts. So this is not a... That's not what this is. This is Sportster Ironhead or Shovelhead. It's Y manifold. Cast iron, so it's early. So it'll be 57 up into 75, 6 time frame. They went to aluminum after that. For sure 78 was aluminum. Not sure how much before that. Maybe 72.3 possibly, but definitely early 70s to mid 70s, and the aluminum would be mid 70s and up. Definitely 78 for sure. So anyway, this one here is really nice for restoration, nice and clean. So yeah, nice, looks good. It gives us a couple of brand new rubbers that are pretty hard, so they're old, but they'll still seal. Yeah, this should work. This one looks like it might be used. Probably still work. Alright, so there we go. Nice Sportster or Shovelhead intake manifold. Not counting this piece. This is wrong. This gasket's good. Let's see. The Tillotson carburetor has 3/8 hole on it. These look like they're pretty good size. 382. That is not 3/8. So this would be not for Tillotson. Tillotson would be 66. 66, 67. What year did they do that stupid Tillotson? I think 66 was Tillotson, for sure 67. And they ran it up through 69, because 70 they went to the Bendix carburetor. So, late 60s. So this is before late 60s, or after late 60s, because they went to 5/16 studs on both of the earlier ones. If you have the big 3/8 hole version, which is probably a 7/16 hole, this is actually a 3/8 hole, but it's only 10 thou over 3/8, so it's not made for a 3/8 bulb, even though it would fit. They ain't factory. So this is not for a Tillotson carburetor, it's for a Bendix or earlier linkered. Alright, there you go. Old stuff.